Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system so you can roll back if needed. Create a restore point, sign in with an admin account, and install pending Windows Update patches. Once done, open Device Manager and scan for devices showing warning icons. Note each device model and vendor ID. You'll need them to find accurate drivers. This gets you out of guesswork, and it speeds up the next steps because you already gathered specifics rather than hunting mid-process. Now you locate the drivers and install them. Use Device Manager's Update Driver right arrow browse My Computer if you already downloaded files, or Update Driver right arrow search automatically to let Windows try first. Prefer OEM or manufacturer support pages for precise packages, especially for graphics and chipset devices, because they include firmware and INF tweaks. Extract any zip files, run Setup or point Device Manager to the extracted folder, and follow prompts. Make sure to reboot when an installer requests it so the new driver loads cleanly. Finish by verifying and fixing any residual problems. Reboot, then open Device Manager to confirm the warning icons are gone and check each device properties page for the new driver version and date. Use Windows Update's optional drivers or manufacturer update utilities to catch extras. If something breaks, roll back the driver from Device Manager or restore the system to the point you created. Boot to safe mode if the device prevents a normal startup. One tip: disable fast startup when troubleshooting driver installation conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.